Welcome back to Blazin Tech. Today we are actually going to be showing you on how to install OBS on Windows. So first we actually have to go to the OBS website to actually download it. And I will post the link in the description down below. Okay, here you can type in OBS Studio. It'll be obsproject.com. Like I stated, it's going to be in the description below, so you can click on it. Okay, here you're going to actually click on Windows. Okay, now since we got OBS downloaded, now let's go ahead and run it. Okay, this message pops up. Go ahead and hit yes. Let's go ahead and close the browser. Okay, now since that's popped up, let's go ahead and click on next. Click on install. We left pretty much everything at default here. Okay, go ahead and click on finish. Okay, now we got here to this auto configuration interface. For this video, we're going to go ahead and click on no because we do not want to go through the auto configuration wizard. And then if you change your mind, you could run the auto configuration wizard next time if you just click on tools, auto configuration. So this pretty much completes this video. If you have any questions or any apps or programs you want me to review, please comment down below. And please make sure you turn on your post notification, like this video, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.